Guys, thank you for joining in another amazing adventures of Daily Refills with James and Bianca. We're going to be opening up what, Bianca?
Something GIF. Oh my GIF.
They're alive. They're not really alive, though. Probably dead in the box. We're going to open number one. We opened, I can't remember how we opened before, but this is our second video.
I think we opened 5.
5? Oh, we had 10 total. We opened 5. And if you watched the previous video of that, I ripped the whole damn box apart. You don't have to do that. You have to rip off the plastic. So you take all this stuff down, pop this thing out. Oh, I'll rip that, but that's okay. No one cares. Put some, I don't know. Anyway, you go like that. You got the other skateboard thing again. So a double!
Woohoo!
But yeah, you got like...
double potatoes.
You got like little things showing you how many you can get. Whatever. And if you want to show them a thing. There you go. Now this ain't a bad deal.
I dropped it.
Oh, we're getting over. This ain't a bad deal. It was $1. Because, you know, they couldn't really sell it. So, I mean, it did sell, but it, you know, it's like anything. Eventually,
Not good enough.
Not good enough. We got like $1 or something.
Not at our Walmart anyways.
Yeah.
If you guys didn't know, we live in a really poor area. There are a lot of parents in our area that cannot afford this stuff.
Ooh, we got a wiener.
Sausage party.
Ouch. Oh, I might keep that one. Oh, yeah. Anyway, give another one to my assistant since she kept on dropping it.
Well, Budweiser was trying to help me with the camera.
What was it? Is that a specialty or rarity or anything?
Okay, let's double check.
Open the first one.
45 relaxing hot dog hashtag ouch. It is a blue, which is a common.
Oh, weird suck. We got a lamp. That was it. Shape. Alright. Which one's that?
Shady Ninja.
Is that a rare?
No.
Figures.
Hashtag hiya.
Hiya! You're so lucky. Ooh, look at that.
Oh, a hedgehog. It's a blue. Scootin' hedgehoggles. Hashtag squad goals.
I like the hot dog one the most, though. That's funny. But yeah, watch what it does. That's it. I don't know. Taco?
Looks like it. It's hot taco. Hashtag
taco.
crying. No rares.
No rares.
You failed.
Trash. See if this pulls back. Pull back? Shoot.
Remember to like, comment, and subscribe while you're watching him play with children's toys.
Oh, crap.
Bye.